go. A100. I've seen so many of these, eh? Not so many, but like. Now this is a van. What? There's a bike in there. That's
Check
crazy.
out the floor, brother.
What? That's sick.
So that's 30 pounds of brass and 8 gallons of epoxy resin. And then the inside we've done all up in there as well.
Yeah.
We've got lights up in there for night. And then the bed comes down once we remove the bike.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, she's
That's awesome.
she's not just show, she's a lot of go as well. It's a lot of fun.
What else you got done to it?
It's got a 340 Mopar in it. It came with a straight 6, but we've had that rebuilt to 70.
Yeah.
The roof was rotten. It was a California car to begin with.
It was
and
okay.
It was rotten, so I had to get a new roof from Oregon.
Yeah.
And so we've replaced it from the A-pillars all the way back.
Yeah.
And if you go up with your camera, you'll see we got a lace treatment on the roof as well.
On the roof, okay.
The exact same as the motorcycle fenders.
That's awesome.
And it's not a decal, it's not a wrap, it's actual paint. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
How much horsepower are you pumping out of this baby?
It's about 250.
250?
Yeah.
Still, it's enough for this one.
But it's a brick, man. So you're, she doesn't like she likes to go, but she doesn't like to slow down too well.
Oh,
So
yeah.
It's,
What else you can do with this baby?
I've actually bought the big brother to it. I've got the 18-wheeler right now. I'm working on it.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it into a flatbed, so this bad boy will go on top of a flatbed.
Yeah.
And we'll do shows in that. But right now, she's complete.
Can I hear it? Do you mind if I hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the little one here?
There you go. Oh yeah. Look at that shape, eh? Awesome, that sounds phenomenal.
Yeah, thanks.
Kind of
man.
exhaust
Sounds
work.
like Opera Teacher from Van Halen.
Yeah.
So all the inside, I had all of the copper, all of the chrome done to copper.
Yeah.
So I've got the steering column done. I've got all the bits and pieces done for bright bronze.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I've had it for about 7 years. Put a lot of work into it, and I love it.
Oh yeah.
It's great. That's cool, man. Thanks so much.
Yeah, no, thank you. Steve. All right. Cool. I like the LEDs as the headlights. They work way better, eh?
They work really well.
Yeah.
And they actually indicate as well when I put the indicators on.
Yeah. Phenomenal.
These round ones indicate amber.
Yeah.
And then at the back, I've got the old Murphy bed that opens up, and there's a lot going on.
Oh yeah. Historic.